Jenny. There's Gogo. He's riding a camel.
Hello, Tony. Hello, Jenny.
Where are you going, Gogo?
I'm going to Egypt. Do you want to come?
Yes, please.
Get on, Jenny. May I help you?
No, thank you, Gogo. I can get on easily. I can get on easily, too. Egypt's a long way, Gogo. Camels move slowly.
This camel doesn't move slowly. This camel moves quickly. Watch.
Gosh! You're right, Gogo. Your camel moves quickly. Very quickly. Let's go into the pyramid. I can't see a way in. We can't go in. Gosh! Oh!
Let's go in.
It's beautiful. Hold it carefully, Jenny. It's old.
No, Jenny, don't touch it.
Look! The door's closing. I'm sorry. What can we do?
Look!
Gosh! Walk carefully, Tony.
Don't talk loudly, Jenny. Talk quietly.
All right. Sorry. Thank you, Gogo.
This boat is moving slowly.
It's moving quickly now.
Yes, it is. Let's go home for lunch. I like lunch.
Oh,
I can dance too. Play your drum quickly, Pod.
Quickly?
Yes, quickly.
Quickly.
I can't dance quickly.
Sorry, GB. Play your drums slowly, Pod.
Slowly.
Now let's sing. Play your drum slowly. You can play slowly.
I'm playing my drum slowly, slowly, slowly.
Play your drum quickly. You can play quickly.
I'm playing my drum quickly, quickly, quickly.
Sing your song quietly. You can sing quietly.
I like to sing quietly, quietly, quietly.
Sing your song loudly. You can sing